In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to play Monster Hunter Rise on your Nintendo Switch. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical tips and tricks. To start playing Monster Hunter Rise on your Nintendo Switch, begin by opening the Nintendo controller's interface. Once you're on the home screen, locate the Monster Hunter Rise game icon among your installed games. Select the game on your controller, and after that, you'll be prompted to choose the user profile you want to use. This step is essential if multiple profiles exist on your console, as it ensures your progress and settings are loaded correctly. Once you've selected your profile, the game will begin to load automatically. Be aware that the loading process may take a little time, as is typical for games with rich, immersive content. It's important to remain patient during this phase. When the game finishes loading, you will be presented with the main menu. Here, you will have the option to either start a new game or continue your existing progress. If you've already played the game before, select the Continue option. This will resume your adventure from the point where you last left off. Once the game environment loads, you'll find yourself back in the action, ready to dive into the exciting gameplay of Monster Hunter Rise. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.